on the 44th minute, the decision about the goal line. Just before halftime, a goal was denied. What are your thoughts on that? Was it a goal?
I can see this, but I think. Listen. I speak about the match, and I think my team have done everything we could. Next match, we'll do everything we can. And if this is not enough to win the match, only I can tell you I am very proud of my players. And I think this is the situation. Today, my opinion is we have done everything we could.
Do you think there's suddenly a lack of personnel in the team? Because a lot of players are missing, so lack of personnel you felt?
This is the situation. I as a coach only can speak about the players, with the players play today. I don't want to speak with the players not play today. I think it's, you know the situation. It's not easy for us. Next match is not easy for us, this situation. But today I prefer speak about the match, not the players. It's too much.
Coach, do you think that goal line technology should be made available to get the right decisions for the team?
I think we can improve in too much things. Not only one, but it's not my. It's possible to improve in too much things, not only in the technology or different things. Is going to improve in other things, small things, but I think it's very important. For example, yesterday is compulsory to in training in the same time, only 1 hour and 15 minutes, and Janssen Spool inside the pitch during the training. This situation, I think, is good. It's possible to improve this if before to improve some things very basic.
Hi coach, you're playing Kerala next. With the squad that you have got and few challenges with suspensions and injuries, how are you going to approach that game?
As a coach, I need to work in this circumstance. It's not possible excuses, it's not possible speak about I could like to do. I only can speak about the situation. And tomorrow is a new day. We have 3-4 days to prepare well the next match. And go to Hyderabad to play against a good team and to try to the best.
What's the update on Koro's injury status?
Sorry.
What's the update on Koro's injury status?
I think for the next match it's possible to play. It's not a big injury.
Are you happy with the result or happy with the performance of your players?
Pues sí, la verdad es que nuestra primera parte ha sido muy buena. La segunda parte no hemos estado tan bien, pero hemos peleado, se ha luchado y hemos trabajado muy bien en defensa. Ganar en este campo es motivo de felicidad. Es un equipo muy complicado, es uno de los mejores equipos del campeonato y hoy hemos salido para ellos.
Yeah, definitely I'm very happy with the result. We played very good in the first half, maybe not that good in the second half, but we fight and we did a good defending. And play against such a good team as this is one of the best teams in the tournament, and be able to win here it's something to be very proud and happy.
Coach, you think it's an important victory because the victory against one of the top teams in the ISL, considering that you drew against Bengaluru, who are also in the top?
Vuelvo a decir, yo creo que Goa, con muchísimo respeto hacia todos los demás, pero lo que hemos mostrado hasta ahora, los tres equipos que nos hemos enfrentado los últimos tres partidos, son los equipos más fuertes. Nosotros hemos conseguido hoy aquí este resultado, nos sitúa en una situación en la cual empatamos con uno, perdimos con otro y hemos ganado a otro de los cocos. Entonces, ganar en Goa es muy importante para nosotros.
Yeah, once again, and with all the respect for the rest of the teams, Goa, Kolkata and Bangalore are the three best teams in my opinion. So we tied the draw with Bangalore, and we win here. So we get one win, one draw, one lose, which I think is a very good balance for playing with the top three teams in the tournament. So yes, we're very happy and proud of the result.
Hi coach, this was a very vital match for you and you got 3 important away points. This puts you on the second position on the table. What are your thoughts about it?
Lo importante es que estemos en una situación parecida al final de temporada, pero supongo que un comienzo así nos da mucha moral y nos da mucha fe en seguir trabajando lo que estamos haciendo, ¿no?
Well, the important thing is to be in this position at the end of the season. But obviously, the way we have started the season is something that is pushing us up and helping us to keep working and trying to go this way. So hopefully we can be in this position at the end of the season.